Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are chicken melts. You all loved the tuna melts so much that I have decided to show you another melt that I absolutely love, which is a chicken melt. Super easy and a really great high protein lunch or snack that you can have. All you're going to need is shredded cheese, egg, and canned chicken. Now, this is chicken that is canned in water, and I put it into a bowl. I'm just going to shred it with my fork. What I love about these melt patties is that it's something that, you can have the canned food at home, and it's perfectly fine to have canned chicken, canned tuna, like in the other video, and it's just so much better than grabbing something that is, bad for you, because this is really guilt-free, high in protein, and it's gonna keep you full. Most importantly, it is low carb and keto friendly, so if you're looking to increase your protein intake with your macros, this is a really great go-to. Once you have your chicken shredded with your fork, you're going to add in your shredded cheese. I'm using shredded Colby Jack, and I'm also going to add 2 large eggs. The great thing is that everything also goes into one bowl, so it's a lot less messy and a lot less stress. I'm just combining all these ingredients together. Another thing I also really love about the tuna melts or the chicken melts like we're doing in this recipe is that it can be either by itself with sauce, which is how we're gonna make it today. You can also put it in a sandwich. You could have it in the morning, for lunch, for dinner, as a snack. Really, it's so versatile and just so easy to make. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. Now that I've combined all that together, I'm gonna add my seasonings. And add some paprika. This is hot paprika. Garlic powder. Salt. Dried parsley. And black pepper. And we're just gonna combine all this together again. We're ready to assemble our patties. I'm gonna put on some food-safe gloves to make this a lot easier to actually form the patties. You can make them as big as you want, but I just like to scoop some into my hand about this big. And then I form them into that patty shape. It's about 2 inches in diameter. With the seasonings, this is a keto-friendly recipe. If you wanted to make this carnivore-friendly, you could just do the chicken, egg, cheese, and salt. I'm heating a nonstick pan on medium-low heat, and once my pan is hot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Spreading the butter in the pan, letting it completely melt. And as that butter is melting, I'm gonna take the patties and put them into the pan. I just use a spatula to scoop it up. We're gonna let it cook on the first side for about a minute. After a minute, you're going to flip it over and add another tablespoon of butter. After a minute on the other side, I'm gonna flip it over one more time, and we're gonna cook it for another minute. Our chicken melts are ready. Let's take them out and make a delicious sauce to go with it. For an easy sauce to go with our chicken melts, I'm gonna take some unsweetened ketchup. This is by Primal Kitchen, not sponsored, but it's a really great ketchup that doesn't have any added sugar. I'm gonna squeeze some into this bowl. Then we're gonna add some Duke's mayonnaise. This is the best mayonnaise. Don't at me, not sponsored, but wish I was. And it is absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna add some mayo. And a little squeeze of lemon juice. Making sure not to get any seeds. And let's just mix this all together. And there you have it, delicious, cheesy chicken melts. I absolutely love doing this. It is just so easy and a great go-to and guilt-free. So you don't feel like you are cheating on your diet, and it's just something super simple you can make. I cannot wait to dig in It is just so cheesy, high in protein, and absolutely delicious, and perfect with our sauce that we just made. Let's do a little dip. You guys are gonna absolutely love this one. Cheers. It's just super simple and really good, and a great alternative similar to the tuna melts. High in protein and great for your keto or low carb diet. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.